awesome house that's not that awesome. But here, oh no! I'm sorry about that. Here it is. So this is like the path up to it, and then this is the bed. It's not great, but I guess it's fine. Here is the refrigerator. Yes. And then the backyard. Oh gosh, it's raining. Get inside. But I in a military. Okay. I'm scared it's raining. Go, 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 go. This is the good house. So this is where you go down. And then this is like my TV area. And then the bookshelf. And then like flowers. The paintings, like a little desk and the clock over there. Shelves and another painting. And then here is where you go down. Oh no! I forgot to do something. Ah. Alright, here. So I just added window to the kitchen, and that guy was weird. I broke that one on accident. So this is in the other fridge, and then like this, the sink, and then the towel. And I couldn't, oh gosh. And I couldn't do like the drawer glitch thing, so I just did that. And the stove, more drawers, this is where we eat. And then a clock right there, I don't know why I'm showing this. Another bookshelf, and empty chest. And then this is an awesome part of my room. It's right above the kitchen, so then you can just go like, whoop, I'm hungry. And you can just make yourself a meal. Here is the, here's the thing, the bathroom. These are the mirrors, and I'll show you guys how to make that in another video. This is where you poop, and then toilet paper. Again, couldn't do the glitch. That, oh, a shelf, lights, and then like a little vein thingy. I'm not sure if I showed, yeah, I didn't show that one. This is the last room. This is the guest room. This is where you sleep. And then like a little computer and a mouse, and then, yeah. And look at these beautiful lights. Beautiful. Okay, yeah. So, yeah. I hope you guys like my house. And, also, I didn't come up with this. Weirder Dude did. I'll put his link in the description and his video link in the description. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and bye!